Hey everybody, welcome to Character Modeling. That's right, Character Modeling Week 9. We're getting through the process, a lot of cool things to talk about. However, we're in the mode of skinning, and this is a really crucial spot because we're finishing rigging, and we're starting to attach the rig to the model, and that's what's really important this week. So let's get into it. A lot of cool things to talk about. Let's go from there. So skinning is really the process of really adapting the textures, the model to the rig, and how to apply that. So this is the process of attaching the mesh of a 3D model to a virtual skeleton or the rig so that when we move the rig of a character, the skin will move together with the rig, which allows to create a quality character animation. This is by selecting vertices and range of vertices and providing them with a set of instructions as to which the bones to follow and how closely they should follow those bones. As you move your rig, your character model should move as well. So they all kind of play a part with everything. Now, how does it work? It's really interesting because each vertex of the mesh is transitioned and transformed to joint space through the bind matrix. When you apply the joint transform for the particular point in time, that should convert back to model space. Then apply the weight for that joint and sum up the operation for all the joints that affect the given vertex. You have to keep in mind, though, skinning does not care about the preservation of volume. It stipulates or interpolates new vertex positions based upon the weighted sum. That means that if you bend a shoulder too much, you might create a bulge. Or if you end up twisting it too much, you create a candy wrapper effect. And that could be a lot of problems in on itself. So be careful on how you place the coordinates. So overall, let's take a look at what we got coming up and just some things to focus on. So, oh, don't mind that. That's different. That's from my current job. So this week for character modeling, you have a discussion this week for your initial post. I'd like you to post an image of a person, a character that has easily understood body language. Post an image of a character that doesn't have easily understood body language. And then label the image, which one you think is straightforward and which was not. And in 2 paragraphs, explain why with the examples. That's for your discussion posts. Initial post due on Thursday, reply post on Saturday. And then you're finishing your rig. I want to see the full rig and everything that's done to this point. And then skinning your character. I would like to see the skinning part. Skinning up to 50% of the rig is attached to the model. That's the checkpoint. And then for your rig has to be fully done. Everything completed, every bone that's tied to everything in general. Other than that, that's all I got. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. But that's pretty much it. Thanks for being amazing. If you need anything, let me know. Other than that, see you for my next announcement. All right, take it easy. Bye-bye.